In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear context and bypass permissions in Claude Code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start fresh when your conversation gets cluttered and how to streamline your workflow by adjusting permission prompts. Let's start with clearing context. When you want a clean slate, the most reliable method is to begin a new session. Look to the upper left corner of the Claude Code app and click New Session. The moment you do, the previous context is cleared automatically. This is ideal for brand new tasks or whenever old conversations might be steering the model in the wrong direction. Think of it as opening a fresh document before you start drafting something completely different. It reduces confusion and helps Claude focus only on what matters now. If you'd rather stay in the same window, you can also reset the context manually. In the prompt area, simply type a clear instruction like clear all previous context and start fresh. Claude will ignore the earlier conversation history and proceed with a clean slate. After doing this, it helps to briefly restate your goal or share the most relevant details so the model immediately locks onto the right direction without pulling from anything that came before. Now, let's look at bypassing permissions to speed up your coding flow. In the prompt area, you'll see a control related to permissions. Depending on your current default, it may show ask permission or auto accept edits. Click that control, then select bypass permissions. With this on, Claude can perform its edits without asking you to approve each one, which is useful when you're making lots of small routine changes and want fewer interruptions. If you prefer closer oversight, you can always switch it back to ask before proceeding. If you don't see the option to bypass permissions, you'll need to enable it first in settings. Open your settings, locate the Claude Code section, and turn on the option that allows bypass permission mode. Once it's enabled, return to the prompt area and choose bypass permissions from the same control. That's it, you're ready to work with fewer prompts and faster iterations. To recap, use new session for the cleanest break from previous context, or ask Claude directly to reset if you want to stay in place. And when speed matters, enable and select bypass permissions to reduce interruptions. Keep these tools in your toolkit and you'll stay focused, organized, and efficient while working in Claude Code.